This is GoMath, Chapter 8 review, and this is Part 4 of the review. We did omit questions 14 through 16 because they are beyond the scope of third grade work for Tennessee. So question number 17, Tara ran 3 laps around her neighborhood for a total of 1 mile yesterday. Today she wants to run 2/3 of a mile. How many laps will she need to run around her neighborhood? So this represents 1 lap, 2 laps, and 3 laps that get her the whole mile. So if she wants to run 2/3 of a mile, that ends up being 2 laps that Tara wants to run. The next question, Gary painted some shapes. Select one number from each column to show a fraction greater than 1 that names the parts Gary painted. So if you look at this, you know that Gary has 3 holes. So your fraction is going to end up being 3 holes. Each of those holes is divided into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all of them are shaded. So how many are shaded? If there are 8 here, and 8 here, and 8 here, that's 24. So he has 24 eighths. Number 19. Angelo rode his bike around a bike trail that was 1/4 of a mile long. He rode his bike around that trail 8 times. Angelo says he rode a total of 8/4 miles. Teresa says he is wrong and that he actually rode 2 miles. Who is correct? Use words and drawings to explain. So let's draw a picture. This is 1/4. And here's another 1/4. Another 1/4. And another 1/4. So if we put a number line under here, this is 0 where Angelo started, and he rode 1/4. This next space would be 2 fours, 3 fours, and this space would be 4 fours, or 1 whole, right? And it says that he rode 8 times around the trail. So he did another 4th. Let's put that around just a little bit. So this would end up being 5 fours, another 4th, 6 fours, another 4th, 7 fours, and then his last 4th, which would be 8 fours. So 8 fours is correct because each lap is 1/4. And so he did 8 fours. Teresa says he's wrong that he actually rode 2 miles. Well, when you have this for 4 fours equals 1 hole, another 4 fours equals 2 holes. So they are actually both correct. So there's our drawing that shows, and we can even label that 1 mile and this 2 miles. So drawing that shows our work, and then we can write a word. Who is correct? Both are correct because 8 fours and 2 represent the same point or distance on the number line. So 8 fours is equal to 2. Alright, that's the end of your review. Good luck on your chapter test. Do your very best.